All right, this is Unit 8, which is Chapter 7, review here. We have page 187 of our textbook. This was our homework problems. This is the second video for it. We're doing numbers 13 through 16. So number 13, y is less than negative 3x plus 4. Again, for every one of these problems, I'm always going to match this up with y equals mx plus b. Remember, m is your slope. That's the number in front of your x. That means my slope here is negative 3 over 1. That, again, is your rise over your run. So you're going to rise negative 3, which means you're really going to fall 3, and then you're going to run to the right 1, since it's a positive 1. The b is your 4, so b is equal to 4, and you have to remember that that is your y-intercept. That's where you start, so you're going to apply your 4. I already set up my graphs for this, so I plot my 4, going up 4 on my y-axis. My slope is negative 3 over 1, so again, going down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Now I'm going to draw my line. When I draw my line here, I have to be careful. I have to decide, is it going to be a solid or a dotted line? And that's based on this inequality symbol. That inequality symbol, since it's just less than, it's not equal to, means we have to have a dotted line coming through here. And last step is to decide, where do I shade? Do I shade everything below this line, which would be to the left, or above this line, which would be to the right? Since it is less than, what is less than this line? Less than would be over here to the left or below the line. So that's going to be my shaded region. 14, same idea. Again, I'm going to match this up. Y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. My slope here is going to be 2 over 3. Again, that's the rise over the run. The b, the y-intercept, is my negative 2. So again, I have my graph set up. I'm going to first plot my b, which is my y-intercept. Go up 2 to the right 3. That's my second point. This one is also going to be a dotted line because it is greater than, there's not equal to, there's not the equal to part below it. And then I have to decide where the shading is. Since it says greater than is going to be everything above that line. Last two here, number 15 to 16. Number 15, we have y is greater than or equal to x minus 3. Again, I'm going to do this problem just like the previous two. Y equals mx plus b. My slope here is the number in front of x. So it doesn't look like there's 1 there, but it is the number 1, which we're going to write as 1 over 1. And then my b value is going to be my negative 3. Apply your negative 3, up 1, right 1. This time this is going to be a solid line because it does have the equal to piece. So this is going to be a solid line coming through. Shading, since it says it's greater than, that means it's going to be everything above. Number 16, y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1. Again, y is equal to mx plus b. I like doing that every time. It's a good reminder of us that the slope here, that m is the number in front of the x. That's 2 over 1. We like it as a fraction because you need to go both up and down and then left or right with the bottom number. The b here is going to equal to the positive 1. So you plot 1, go up 2, right 1, and then you're going to draw your line. This is again going to be a solid line because it has the equal to piece. But this time it is less than, so less than means everything below. You notice I'm going right through all of my x and my y axis. It's just that one line that matters that we're going through.